comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family. And the truth, you know, love is all we need. Beyond the world, beyond the children, beyond the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving.
There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. Well, send them your heart so they know that someone cares, and their lives will be
Stronger and free, as God has shown us by turning stone to bread. And so we all must lend a helping hand. We are the world, we are the children, we are the one to make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Oh, there's a choice we're making. We're saving our lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
when you're down and out, and there seems no hope at all.
Hi, this is Vibhor from Bhagwan Mahir Viklang Sahayata Samiti in Jaipur, India, the world's largest organization serving the disabled people. It provides artificial limbs, calipers, and other aids of assistance to the disabled people totally free of charge. It also provides financial assistance as a means of earning livelihood. With the help of the Jaipur Foot, a disabled person can walk, sit, run, and even climb a tree. In the year 2012, it helped 64,000 people walk on their own. The average cost of an artificial limb is $70 as compared to $10,000 in the United States. For a mere sum of $70, it is totally life transforming. Bhagwan Mahir Viklang has tie-ups with leading universities such as Stanford University and MIT University for their research and development. The organization was founded and is currently managed by Shri D.R. Mehta Saab, a recipient of the Padma Bhushan Award for his contribution to this noble cause of humanity. He also served as a Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India and a Chairman of the Security Exchange Board of India. My pledge and appeal to you is to donate generously and encourage as many as others to do so as well. This would financially help the organization grow. For a mere sum of $70, it is totally life transforming. In real terms, this is an act of practicing Jainism by helping the poor and needy. I would like to extend a special thanks to Shri Rajendraji Bafna and Shri Mehulji Shroff for their continued support to this organization. Thank you and Jai Janin.
But if you just believe, there's nowhere we can fall.
live his own life. This is what the organization is about. The organization makes wonders.
We are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. Well, send them your heart, so they know that someone cares, and their lives will
Be stronger and free, as God has shown us by turning stone to bread.
And so we all must lend a helping hand. We are the world. We are.
Vibhor Dadda is a very sensitive boy. He has been visiting our center for all these years, and he has contributed personally a substantial amount. Also, he has persuaded large number of his friends in the various schools to help the disabled by donating their pocket money. I greatly appreciate his effort. In fact, we have authorized him to collect money on behalf of us. Us means our society, that is Bhagwan Mahavir Viklang Sahayata Samiti. It's a society for providing artificial limbs to the amputees. It's the world's largest organization in this field. It has already rehabilitated almost 1.4 million disabled in India, mostly, and also over 20,000 in 26 countries of the world. We are also grateful to the principal of Fort Lee High School, New Jersey, who I am told, and Vibhor told me, has been extremely supportive to this cause. Thank you.